Hi everyone. If you are new to PR and have no idea how to connect with journalists, this tool is a great place to start. I am talking about Source Portal, and in this video, I'm going to show you how it works and how beginners can use it to get started with media mentions without existing connections. So let's get started. Source Portal is a platform where journalists ask questions and you reply as a source or expert. So instead of pitching blindly, journalists come to you. For beginners, especially, this removes a lot of pressure. Let's understand how Source Portal works. Here's the simple flow. After going to this URL, you will be taken to a home page with two options. This option is for journalist or blogger looking for expert insight for their content, while the second option is for someone who is willing to act as a source and would want to share their expert insights based on their experience. To subscribe to Source Portal, you need to select this option which says be a source now, and then you have to mention some of the basic details it asks, and once you have filled everything you can click on subscribe. Now once you have subscribed to Source Portal, you will start getting the list of queries that journalists are looking for. The work process is simple, where a journalist will post questions. You will receive it via your preferred email, the one that you um, save it here, and then you can pick the most relevant query according to your expertise. Once you pitch them, they will then, of course, look at it, and if they like it, you get featured. So it is no cold calls or cold DMs. It's no guessing. It's just sharing your expert insights with the journalists. You will receive daily emails with journalist request, and each request, as you can see in the screen, will have a topic, what the journalist needs, which is this part where they are describing their um, their questions and the story or experiences they're looking for, along with the deadline and the publication. As a beginner, this clarity really helps because all the details are mentioned in the email that you will get. Now, I would like to share some of the tips to use Source Portal effectively. Don't reply to everything. I recommend starting with opinion based questions, personal experience queries, or simple expert commentary. You don't need to be a celebrity or expert, just be helpful to the journalist. Next, we'll talk about how to reply as a beginner. I want you to keep your response simple and focused. Talking about the basic structure, it should look something like this, with one or two lines of context, clear answer to the question, one short credibility line. Example, you can say, um, as a founder working with early stage startups, I've seen, so something that relates to the query or the question that a particular journalist is looking for, which would make your pitch more credible. Also remember that short answers win here. We don't want to um, go beyond the word limit or share lengthy pitches. Journalists on Source Portal specifically look for short, concise, and to the point pitches. Here are some common beginner mistakes which you must avoid. Writing long essays, or pitching your product, or missing the deadline. Source Portal rewards relevance and speed. If you are just starting out in PR, trust me, Source Bottle is one of the easiest ways to get your first media mentions. There is no outreach stress, there is no journalist hunting. So, if you want more tools like this, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.